Did you know that the European Space Agency's rocket launching station is situated outside Europe? It is located almost 7,000 kilometers away from Europe in French Guiana, a region in South America. The primary reason for this location is its proximity to the equator. Launching from the equator provides a significant boost to rockets due to the Earth's rotation. This advantage means that less fuel is needed, allowing rockets to carry heavier payloads into space. Additionally, launching from French Guiana minimizes the risks associated with densely populated areas in Europe, making it a safer option for rocket launches.